boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see, I'm bringing y'all boys a little nighttime POV drive ski. I figured drop a little nighttime POV in a minute, so I said fuck it. Let me pick up the camera. Let me drop a POV. You know what I'm saying? If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go like, comment on my last video. That was my Beamer vs. the World video. I just recently dropped that shit, so make sure y'all boys like, comment, you know, all that shit. Road to 1K subs, man. We almost there. I think my sub count like 870 right now. We almost there, chat. We almost there. But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting on my videos, man. Like I said, I couldn't be doing this shit without y'all. For real. But yeah, let's get right into the fucking video, man. How much shit not busting those shots, man? What the fuck? There we go. Oh, that was the police. What are we talking about, bro? Nigga, I could have totaled the fucking car, bro. Nah, New York City died. Like, now my alignment all fucked up and shit. Nah, I gotta go check if I got a fucking bubble in the tire and shit. My fucking alignment stiff as shit now, boy. What the fuck? Oh my god. Nah, that actually was fucking ridiculous. Like, that was fucking bad. Is this like a break-in? I'm done. That was fucking ridiculous, bro. Yo, like, what the fuck, bro? These fat ass dips in the road, man. definitely think my alignment's fucked up, boy. 2 potholes that almost fucked me, boy. I know my alignment shot, boy. Nah, that was real fucked up. 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 Now I'm out of here. This nigga doing shit. I'm out of here. I'm out here betting this M2 like we in the fucking mountains, nigga. What do you mean? Nah, my alignment is definitely fucking shot. I hope, bro. I hope to God there's not a bubble in my fucking tire, bro. Bro, I hit a pothole like when I first got the car, and I got a fat ass bubble in that tire. I had to change it. I hope there's not another bubble in that tire, bro. I'm gonna get real fucking vexed. Who's this nigga pulling up so? Nah, I'm with him, nigga. He look like he on a fucking roll right now, boy. It sounds like something dragging. I hope that's not from my car. Oh my God. Alright, Chad, I had to stick my head out the fucking window just to make sure that fucking sound wasn't coming from my car, boy. Cause that shit sounded a little nuts. Something's grinding on something, boy. I was really hoping that's not my shit. It's his shit, though. Y'all hear that? Definitely coming from his shit. Oh my God. Yeah, boy, he gotta fix that, boy. He probably in there with the music up, not hearing a fucking thing, boy. Yo.